Hi everyone, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Heroes, performed by David Bowie. Written by David Bowie and Brian Eno, it was recorded in the summer of 1977. And even though this particular song didn't go on to receive real high commercial success, it has since become one of David Bowie's signature songs. It's been covered by countless artists, and it's a great song to do today. Let's take a few minutes now and take a look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, so there are 5 very easy chords to play in this particular song. Let's review them now. First one is a D chord. There's a G major. Now, the song actually calls for a C chord, but wherever I can, I always use a C add 9. There's not that much of a difference between the two as far as the sound is concerned. I just find the transition from a G or a D to the C add 9 to be easier than the actual C chord itself. Do whatever's comfortable for you, the C or the C add 9, it's up to you. Additional chords, there's an A minor chord in it. And then there's an E minor. Alright, that's it. Those 5 chords, that's all you need. Let's take a couple of minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming to this great hit. Okay, so a little strumming. Quick note, on the D chord and the G major chord, I have a little middle finger suspension on that kind of adds to the song itself, or to the chords themselves. Let me show you here slowly what I'm talking about. This would be a normal D chord. But I suspend the middle finger and I do the same on the G. I just think that really adds to the actual song itself. Let's speed it up so you can see what I'm talking about. It goes something like this. Very simple. Practice that a couple of times. You don't, of course, need to do the suspension, but if you really want to add a little something different to the song, by all means, go ahead and do it. Let's go through the strumming of the whole song here, just to give you a general idea of how it should go. The song starts, of course, on the D chord, just like we were doing. Here we go. I would be king. You would be queen. Nothing driving away. We could beat them. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. Okay, and that's it. That's the strumming in the chord progression through the entire song. Just a couple more quick notes about this version. David Bowie's original version of this song is long. It's like 6 minutes and 15 seconds long. For the purpose of my guitar tutorial today, I'm cutting her down to just a few minutes, keeping in it just a couple of verses, a bridge, and the outro. In addition, because of the way that I sing, I like to use my capo on the 1st fret. So for the purpose of this guitar tutorial today, I'll be playing it just like this with the capo on the first fret. We're going to mic it up now. We're going to call on my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound for a little bit of a backbeat. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
I would be king. You would be queen. Nothing traveling we could be there just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. I wish you could swim like dolphins. Dolphins could swim. No, nothing will keep us together. We could be there forever and ever. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. I remember standing by the wall in the gunshot above our heads, and we kissed, yeah, yeah, so nothing could fall. And the shame was on the other side. We could be there forever and ever. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day.
And there you have it, Heroes by David Bowie. Thanks for tuning in to my acoustic lounge today. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it very much. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.